How to add multiple audio in Instagram Reels. First of all, launch your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now once you're logged in, to create a reel or to upload a reel, tap on the plus icon from the menu bar at the bottom of the home page. Here, you can either choose a reel from your gallery or you can simply record it from your mobile device. Now once you have your reel ready, in order to add music, tap on the music icon from this edit piece option. Here you can select a music that you want to add. Tap on done. If you tap on edit video option and then tap on the music here, there you will not find any option to add another music since the Instagram does not allow you to add more than one music on your Instagram Reels. But there is another workaround for that. You can use a video editor CapCut to do that. So for that, you can simply close this Instagram, open up CapCut in your device, tap on new project. Now import the video that you want to add as a reel in your Instagram. Tap on add. Now once you're on this page, tap on add audio. Here, tap on sounds. Now you can either choose one from this recommended or you can use the music from your device as well. Here I'll just go with the recommended song. To use it, tap on the add or plus icon. Now once you have this music, you can cut it out. So select the part from where you want to discard the music from. For example, right here, then tap on split. Now you can delete the remaining part of this music and then tap on delete. Now to add another music, again tap on the audio from here and then again tap on sounds. Again repeat the same steps and you can use another music. For example, I want this music right here and then again tap on add. Here you can again repeat the same steps to cut out this music to add another one. Place this vertical line where you want to split your music from and then tap on split. Again, you can delete this remaining part and then you can add another music in the same way. Once you have added all your preferred music, tap on export button from the top right corner. Once this video is exported with more than one song, you can use this video to share in your Instagram as a reel. So that's the way to add multiple audio in your Instagram Reels, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.